The wide variety of options to serve every consumer niche possible that you have available among laptops is probably not seen in any other electronics product category. What's more, instead of buying a general-purpose machine that costs a lot, you can spend some time to select the laptop that fits your very specific requirements and save any expenses on unnecessary frills too. If, like many students and office-goers, most of your work is limited to the use of the word processor and research over the internet, you don't need high-end graphics or the ability to run resource-intensive software, qualities that end up raising the cost of the laptop substantially. As our product for today shows you, you can buy a really high-quality machine at a much lower cost if you focus on your needs and enhance your user experience with top-quality accessories, bought with the money you save.
Here we go!
The 2017 Lenovo 110s 11.6-inch HD laptop is a premium-built high-performance computing machine meant to balance most of your work and entertainment needs with comfort of use and portability. Just 0.7 inches thick and weighing a light 2.53 pounds, this elegant white laptop is convenient to commute with or carry around from one classroom or meeting to another. While not intended for running heavy programs, its processing power is strong enough to give you the speed and multitasking offered by netbooks. It runs on an Intel Celeron N3060 1.6 GHz dual-core processor with a 2 GB RAM and a 32 GB fast solid-state drive. This means it can boot up really fast and support an effortless experience of browsing through any website and handling of multiple documents with full MS Office functionality. In fact, you get a 1-year free usage of MS Office as an add-on with this machine. Windows 10, on the other hand, gets you the widely popular features of the new operating system from Microsoft, letting you multitask through most of your work in a secure, super fast manner. The Lenovo 110s also comes with the 11.6-inch HD LED backlit 1366 by 768 display, supported by Intel HD Graphics 400. This configuration is not just great for a comfortable experience while working through long hours, but comes in very handy when you take a break to watch a movie or YouTube video. A webcam and inbuilt stereo speakers complement your communication and entertainment needs perfectly. The low storage space might be great for keeping the laptop light, but might not be enough for all your music, photos, and videos. Do not worry, for you can connect multiple external devices at the same time with the 2 USB 2.0, 1 USB 3.0, and 1 HDMI port. Plus, you have the latest Bluetooth 4.0 and 802.11 AC Wi-Fi connectivity options as well. So, if you are looking for a light and efficient laptop that fits any budget, the Lenovo 110s Premium is an ideal option to keep in mind when you go shopping the next time. Despite the absence of any frills, it has scored a respectable 3.4 on 5 stars from over 400 customer reviews. Its lightweight and sturdy design, coupled with reliable performance, all at a ridiculously low price, has won it positive comments from many users. That's about all we have on the 2017 Lenovo 110s 11.6-inch HD laptop for now. Check out the description below for links to some of the lowest prices on the web for this gadget. Looking for something else? Take a look at our other reviews for laptops here on Next Tech Review. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that like button.